In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make columns and sections in Notion. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along and set up a clean, organized page in just a few minutes. First, open the Notion website in your browser. You can do this in any modern browser. And if you have the desktop app, the process is the same. Give the page a second to load so everything is responsive, especially if you're working with visuals later. Next, click New Page. This button appears in the sidebar. A fresh page opens. Go ahead and give your page a title so you can find it easily later. You can start from a blank page to keep things straightforward. Now let's add columns and sections. We'll begin with columns. Click to create your first block. Just type a line of text or insert any block you plan to use. To make a second column, hover over the block until you see the 6-dot handle to the left. Click and drag that handle to the right until you see a vertical blue guide appear next to your first block, then release. You've just created 2 columns. To add a third column, repeat the same move. Drag another block to the right until the blue guide shows a new column next to the second one. You can adjust the widths by hovering between columns and dragging the divider so each column fits the content you plan to place there. With the 3 columns ready, start entering your data. In column 1, you might add text, a to-do list, or a small image. In column 2, you could place notes, links, or a calendar view. In column 3, add quick references, tasks, or any content that complements the first 2 columns. Use the / command to insert the exact block you need, or just type and press enter to keep adding content. If something lands in the wrong spot, drag it to the correct column. Notion makes it easy to rearrange. After that, you can add a section. Click below your columns and create a heading to mark section 1. Type your section title, then press enter to add the content that belongs under it. This gives your page a clear structure, separating the top column layout from a deeper, focused area below. Continue entering your data under section 1, text, checklists, images, or embeds. Whatever information completes your page. If you need a bit more visual separation, consider adding a divider above the section title for clarity. That's it. You've opened Notion, created a new page, built 3 columns for quick, side-by-side content, and added section 1 to organize details neatly underneath.